video, I'm going to talk about DHCP or Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. What DHCP basically is, instead of hard coding IP addresses to computers, what DHCP does is it gives IP addresses on the fly as and when needed by the computers. So in my network, I'm going to have one router, one switch, and five computers. Four computer, fifth computer. Then I'm going to wire them up and just wait for 1 minute. Two computers down, three computers down, four computers. Oops. What this means is I have taken the wrong switch, so I have to delete this switch and try to go with this one. Let's see if it has enough ports. Basically you should not be like me, finding switch which one works. You should be knowing which switch has how many ports. The first one, surprising, has a lot of ports, and this is our network. So at this moment, if we try to communicate between one computer to another, we get error. So what we should do is we have to give the IP addresses, and to give the IP addresses dynamically, click on the computer, then click on desktop and IP configuration, then click on this DHCP. Do this for all the computers and we'll be good to go. DHCP takes place, the thing takes place in the router, so all the DHCP commands will be there in the router. And first we have to give the IP address of the FS0/0. It's going to be 192.168.10.1 and turn it on, then go to CLI. We are already in FS0/0, so now we have to give the DHCP commands. The command is DHCP pool and then a name. You can give any name. I can give my name or my channel's name, anything. I'm sorry, oops, you have to give the name here. Sorry, it's IP DHCP pool and then the name. And after doing this, what you do is you have to give the network. The network is 191.168.10.0 and then subnet mask 255.255.255.0. let's see, 255.0. okay, and now we take the default router. Default router is 192.168.10.1 and we are done. Let's click exit, and now we have to exclude the router's IP address so that the computers do not get 192.168.10.1. so IP DHCP 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 exclude address 192.168.10.1. now if we try to ping one computer to another, it's working, it's saying successful, and you can ping from any computer to any computer and to the server, so everything will work. So this is the this is how to configure DHCP or Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. The commands are go to the router. Okay, let's see, exit. When you open the router CLF the first time, this is going to be, you're going to see this thing. Now write configure terminal and then you have to write IP dhcp pool and then a name, and then you have to give net network network 192.168.10.0. This is my network. If your network is different, you can write a different network 0.11.0, or if your network is 10, so 10.0.0.0, or anything of your choice. My network is 192.168.10.0, and then subnet mask and 255.255.255.0. And then what you do is give the default router is 192.168.10.1, and then exit, and then to exclude the router's IP, so IP dhcp exclude address 192.168.10.1. so this is done. This is how to configure dhcp. It's a short video, but this is all for this video. dhcp is pretty easy. So if you like this video, do it a thumbs up and keep coding. Thank you.